FedEx truck is here. That only means one thing. We have a delivery and an unboxing to get to. We put everything in one bag. Except for this one item. Oh, okay. So cute. Okay, first off, it has lint for some reason, but I see collab. Okay, so this, as usual, first of all, before I get started, I am gonna link everything in the bio. So this is a jumper I got for my baby nephew. Let's start off with the small items first, and then we'll get to the clothes at the end for try on, so stay tuned for that. So first up is a USA to Europe adapter. So it's just gonna be helpful for like appliances and gadgets that I bought here in the USA, like my phone and some of the things here as well. They need this, so it's going to be very helpful for that. Connects to that, and then let's see if my phone will charge. It does. Nice. So this hair you already saw is the 24-inch synthetic kinky Marley hair. This you've probably seen on my TikTok. I have a video on these baddies. Initially I had bought 2 packets, so now I'm adding 2 packets more because yeah, for vibes. This is a bottle for oil applications and what's so not. It also comes with a hair massager. It's very nice and soft. It's like a bendable tripod thingy-majiggy. It has a phone attachment. This is how it works. Feels a bit flimsy though. So this is perfect if I want to like record something really low. And yeah, I like that it's flexible, it's adjustable, and it turns 360. So if you're someone who likes using your phone by the pool, or maybe even just washing dishes, bruv, but you want to use your phone, then this is perfect. Cool. Alright, so this is a Samsung A31 and it fits in there. You need to like press really hard, but the fact that it works and the screen is still sensitive to touch, that's cool. These are clip lenses, so it comes with the macro lens and a fisheye lens. To use the wide lens, you attach the macro and the wide lens together to get the function of the wide lens, and then the fish lens, you use it on its own. So now we have tools for my hair. Starting off, we have this. It's a curling rod. This is what it looks like. And it should have an LED. This is the hood comb. It comes with attachments. There she is. It's also a USA plug. My niece asked me for swimming costumes, and so this is what we have. This is what it looks like. This one, it is a 1-piece as well. Then I got her a 2-piece set. It's It's a crisscross back, and that's the front. A black bodysuit costume. That's what it looks like. I am praying and hoping that this will fit. And then this one, it's t-shirt and shorts situation. I think this one is my favorite. It's gonna look so cool in this. So it's pants, full pants with a full shirt. It's got like this cute bow tie. These belts. Oh guys, I can't wait to see him in this. So that's everything for my niece and nephew. These are tights. They are net tight, fishnet tights. And I also got these plain tights as well. The silk satin scarf. Yeah, remember that one? I didn't check the description and I was, but this one I actually checked the description and it is a nice silk satin. So I bought it in this color because majority of my clothes are white, brown, and then the colors that I usually add on to that is blue and pink. So this brown is like, it's also giving pinkish, and there's also like a darker brown as well, so it should blend into my whole wardrobe. And if like I don't, probably if I'm not going to wear this outside, it's just going to be maybe for sleeping. When a House of CB has me on a chokehold. So this is supposed to be like a dupe of the style of dresses that they make. Hopefully it looks and fits good. This is the material. It's a nice summer dress. It's a brown dress, also inspired by House of CB. Hopefully it matches with my skin tone, because the last brown I got, ciao. We have a dress. So remember in that other video I posted that dress and I said I was going to return it because the off-shoulder thingy was just a bit big. I ordered a totally different dress. I didn't order that one because I was like, I don't think I like it anymore. I ordered it in a medium. Hopefully it fits. And that's everything from today's haul. Thank you for watching until the end. Nothing in this video was returned. I loved everything. So I will see you on the next video. Bye.